Yeah. Kisses on the neck, I feel her grabbing on my shirt. Yeah. Rip it off, this clothes get in the way. Pinned her to the door, she said she don't wanna make love anymore. She said fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive on her worst behavior. She said fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive, said this dick is hers. Yeah. Flipper, switch position, let's go. From the back, she gon' grab her them sheets while she screaming my name. She said, boy, you so aggressive, but please don't stop. Sex so good, we could get scarred from this. Scratches on the back, ickies on the neck, is this pillow talk? Tell her chest down, put that ass up, hit it from the back. Sucking on them chests while she riding me, yanking on the hair. Started from the couch, pick her ass up, throw her on the bed. She said, she like gonna overpower her. Listen to the bed, she like gonna overpower her. She said, for me like you hate me. She aggressive on her worst behavior. Yeah. She said, fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive, said this dick is hers. Yeah. She said, fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive on her worst behavior. Yeah. She said, fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive, she said this dick is hers. Yeah. Look. Kisses on the neck, I feel her grabbing on my shirt, yeah. Rip it off, this clothes get in the way. Pinned her to the door, she said she don't wanna make love anymore. She said fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive on her worst behavior. She said fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive, said this dick is hers. Yeah. She said, Jack, do you miss me? Yeah, look. Kisses on the neck, I feel her grabbing on my shirt. Yeah. Rip it off, this clothes get in the way. Pinned her to the door, she said she don't wanna make love anymore. She said fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive on her worst behavior. She said fuck me like you hate me. She aggressive, said this dick is hers. Yeah. She said